Here's the cash. All of it. Good. The powder is all there. Pleasure doing business. All right, crew, a toast to our next big score. To El Chapo.
To the crew.
Cheers to a wild night.
Yeah, this is the good stuff. Pass the ashtray.
Cash. He's counting the money now.
Call the cops now. He's going to his next client, the Fox.
Five years in jail.
We'll find a way to escape. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and support the young YouTube creator.